Hey, what's up, everybody? Big T here with the Cook Show. We're gonna bring you something a little bit special this morning. What we're gonna do is, some of them folks around here, they just don't know how to cook a grilled cheese sandwich. So, without any further ado, let me go ahead and show what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the spin on the grilled cheese this morning. Fire it up, simple as ABC. Let's go ahead and cook something. Let me show you how this is gonna work. We're gonna go ahead, I got my skillet preheated right here, doing this little thing. Here's some ingredients we're gonna throw together. We'll go ahead, first things first, what you gotta do, you gotta go ahead, get your little regular piece of bread. You need to spread some butter across there evenly. See how simple that is? Nice and simple, just like ABC. So we're gonna spread some butter across here. Now watch here, because that skillet, it's already preheated. It's gonna sizzle a little bit when I drop this down in there. Can you hear that? So we're gonna go ahead. What we're gonna do, we're gonna lay this cheese up in here like this. Get this down in here so we can get him melting. We're gonna put a little spin on it. Yes, that's what I said. A little spin on it. We're gonna put the pretzels up in here today. So we're about to build us a pretzel grilled cheese sandwich. You ain't never seen nothing like this, because there ain't never been nobody doing nothing like this. But that's what cooking all about. Cooking is doing whatever it is that you like to be doing. See? So we got that going on right there. I'm gonna let that ride right there for just 1 second. Go ahead, get us some more cheese. Oh yeah, I think we're gonna put some more cheese on there, because this right here is a world famous grilled cheese sandwich. Grilled cheese and pretzel. Never seen nothing like this in your life. Bam! We're gonna drop him right on there like that. Go ahead and get this little other piece of bread out. Lather him up with a little bit of butter, just like that. See how simple that is? For all you folks who ain't never made no grilled cheese sandwich, don't get no easier than that right there. Okay? We're gonna lay him right on top. Boom. Now, when your skillet is preheated, it doesn't take very long for that cheese to get doing its thing and for the bread to do its thing. So we're gonna go ahead and flip him, because he's been down there for about a minute. Boom, look how beautiful that is. So you give it about 1 more minute. I have this on medium heat. You know, it's a pretty simple thing. Pretty simple thing we got here. The grilled cheese pretzel sandwich. It's gonna be world famous. And you're gonna be able to tell everybody you know, I saw it today on the Cook Show. Yes, I did, by Big T. Big T made it. Big T said it was good, so we're gonna try it. And y'all can cook it up inside your house. Listen, things happen for a reason. You know what I'm saying? The kids gonna love it, you gonna love it, and you're gonna be famous in your part of town too. So, this little grilled cheese pretzel sandwich is done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat. Bam. Don't get no easier than that. Scoop him on up out of here. If you want to see the other side, you can. See that? Look at that. Beautiful. Just like a professional. Bam. Slide him on up out of there. Get him over here on our little serving platter. Take this off the heat. Get him out the way. We'll go ahead and slide him around here. I'll show you this right here. Slide him off of here. Nice and carefully. Okay? Got him up there where you all can see everything. Go ahead and slice him in half one time. Just like that. Yep, just like that. And that's what you have, folks. A grilled cheese and pretzel sandwich. See? It don't really matter what it is that you cook, just as long as you cook something. Because, let me tell you, cooking by anybody is a great thing. See what I'm saying? It's a great thing. Boom. little something like that right there. You know, every chef, every cook, they started out by doing something through trial and error. And with a little trial, little error, you can make something as delicious as that. Look at that. That's a pretty thing right there now. Pretzel and grilled cheese sandwich. Let's try it out. You wanna try it out? I'm gonna try it out for you. See, when you put that on the plate, right there, your kids, your neighbors, your friends, let me say, man, where did you learn how to do that right there? And you could tell them, yep, I saw it. It was amazing. I saw it on the Cook Show with Big T. Hey, look at here. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching my craziness. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, tell all your friends and neighbors about us, because we got some exciting stuff coming your way. Okay? Don't forget to hit that little bell so you can be notified when we launch the next video. In the meantime, have a great day. Thanks for checking out the show. And Big T hollering at you. Have a nice day. Peace out.